to our hotel. Just checked in, about to go see the room. We are on the 9th floor. Okay guys, I made it. Here's our room. It is tiny, just like a New York hotel is expected to be.
Cool view though.
Bathroom, shower, little sink, little sitting area, closet here. And here's the room. Oh, so this is a king bed. So the queen beds are like, you can walk over. But I'd rather have a king bed. Yeah. Look at the view. OMG. That's cool. Cute little built-in here. Love it. Everything's very modern. Looks clean. Okay, these look electronic. So let's see.
That's cool.
Wow. And then you can turn all lights on, all lights off. All right, friends, so we are on our way to Soho. We just got dressed and changed and freshened up a little bit. Now we're headed to check out a coffee shop. I need some food, so we're gonna see what we can find. Cafe that we found. Super cute, called Citizens Soho. Belgian waffle. The it's the presentation for me. Like, we're finally getting some coffee. The one we wanted to go to was closed, so we're gonna try this place.
Thanks, man.
Brulita. We found a record store. We are in Brooklyn. Just left the record store right here, and we were just walking down, and we're gonna check out this thrift store called Raggedy Threads. Now we are at the Brooklyn Museum. We are here to see Virgil's exhibit. We did see this in Atlanta, but we hear that this one is a little bit different. They have like stuff that you could buy, books, magazines.
This one is cool.
That is really cool. Do you think he used this or something like this?
I think he used it.
I guess it would make sense. That's why it's here.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah. So these are like the original, like screen prints of some of his first items. Pirates. My husband had one of these. I think he had one of these shirts too. Definitely have this one.
It was the day when I realized.
You guys, this is Serena's dress. When did she wear this? When did she wear this? Was it at the major?
US Open.
The US Open? Louis Vuitton kite. That's crazy. Brooklyn and we're having a slice of pizza from Vinny's Pizzeria. Are we in Williamsburg? I think we're in Williams. Let me show you this pizza. It looks so good. OMG. It smells incredible. We came up to our rooftop at our hotel and it's so cute. The weather is beautiful. There's like a nice breeze. Great view, of course. We got a lemon pound cake. I got a ginger ale. My husband got some red wine. So we're just enjoying the night. Hey friends, so it's been the weirdest, most random night. We got back to our room fairly early today. We were just exhausted from walking around all day in the heat and not sleeping last night. It was just a very good but very long day. So we're showering and getting ready to get in bed, and I pull back the comforter and there was like hair, like a couple pieces of hair. And so called the front desk and I was like, hey, is there any way we can get someone to come in and swap out our bedding? And she said that the housekeeping had already gone home, but they had another room available and it was like an upgraded room. So we had to pack up all our stuff and change rooms. The room is definitely more spacious. I'll show you guys tomorrow a little bit of a tour. My husband got sushi and I got a giant, how do the New Yorkers say it? Is it gyro? Yeah. Okay, so we're just gonna eat. It's pretty late, so I don't know how much we're gonna eat, but we're just gonna enjoy a little bit of food and then get to bed.
Tired, it's been a long day. And yeah, gotta get back up in the morning. Bright and early.
See you guys tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Good night.
Peace.
Shoes. I got these yesterday. I've been on the hunt for new sneakers and these were the ones I decided on. They're so comfortable. I love them and I just feel like they go with so many things, so many outfits. Heavy. We found this little bagel spot here, just waiting for mine. We got some fresh OJ. It literally tastes like navel oranges. So good. Okay, so I got a super seed bagel with cream cheese. My husband got bacon, sausage, egg, and cheese on everything. It smells amazing. Check out the Alyx store. Hello. Leave it to us to find the tennis section. Okay, so here's the women's tennis, and it's not very size friendly. Like, what am I supposed to do with this? Yeah, that's not gonna cut it. Trying some coffee from Hungry Ghost Coffee. We're like in this little like walkway that has a few little vendors and stuff, so we're gonna try this coffee out. I got an iced almond milk mocha latte. Let's try our latte. It's pretty good. I don't always go for mocha, but this is good. Wanna try? He's definitely not a fan of mocha either, but let's see.
It's not bad.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Look, you got like a little chocolate in there?
Great, chocolate is mocha.
But it's not bad.
Yeah, it's like not too chocolatey.
If it's too chocolate, I definitely like it.
So we're in the meatpacking district in Chelsea. There's like this little bridge that we're on. It's like this walkway. I think it leads to the Chelsea market, so that's where we're heading. Look at this view here. I'm not sure what street this is, but there's like this sitting area where you can sit and I guess watch the cars drive by. Kind of strange, but I guess kind of cool. Love the view.
Achter dit de panoramische, van die scholen, omdat die dan heel gemakkelijk is.
So we're gonna go to the meat packing district. It's like this little bridge that we're on. It's like this walkway. I think it leads to the Chelsea market, so that's where we're heading. vessel.
The vessel.
Do you know what it does? Okay.
No,
I'm like, is there a purpose? It looks like you could walk up there. This building's pretty crazy. Doing a little H&M shopping. Officially vlogging for my new camera. This isn't the best lighting. I'm gonna bring it with me today. Taking the camera today. Hold on, let me pull the screen out.
Oh, it's official.
Hey.
It's official.
So excited. Got my camera. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm using it. All right, we're about to head out. You got everything? Oop. Just leaving our room. It's been a busy day. We've done a lot. So yeah, it's been a pretty busy day. We've spent most of the day in like the Chelsea meatpacking district area. We walked the entire High Line, which is really cool. We saw a lot of nice like architecture. It's kind of famous just for having like some cool views and buildings. So we did that, and then we went to, what was it called? Hudson Yard, which is like a mall basically, which was really cool because it was indoor and it was AC and it was really nice. So then we came back to the room. I navigated us to the wrong hotel, so that was a ton of fun because it was like an hour of subway stuff for the wrong hotel. So we made it back, we changed, freshened up a little bit, and now we're headed out again. So we'll see you guys. Oh, let's do a quick outfit check. This dress I just bought from H&M at Hudson Yards with my new sneakers. So we found this pizza spot. We're in the Lower East Side, I think. It's like this alley of just like a bunch of restaurants. There's a DJ right here. So hot. Ooh, wow. Looks amazing. Smells amazing. Let's try this pizza. It's good. Fan. Hey friends, so we are just sitting down to have dinner. We're in Williamsburg, Brooklyn. We're meeting Maddie and some of her friends on this really cute patio. I put on some makeup today only because it's like evening, so it's not super hot, and I just did a little bit, so feeling cute.
His wife was having him have a baby.
How amazing is this view of Manhattan? Insane. We're at Maddie's hotel. Gorgeous view. Hi, babe.
What's up?
I mean, this is cute, but I think
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Maddie!